Something like a refrigerator not cooling properly can be a major inconvenience, so you need the right fix fast. Our skilled technicians can repair the major refrigeration appliance brands. They can diagnose the problem quickly and make the repair efficiently. Same-day or next-day repair may be available. Our service calls are free with the repair. This is what others are saying about our refrigerator repair services. Mike B said, best price and clean professional service and workmanship. Don't waste your time going anywhere else. Rachel S. wrote, thanks to the crew for the repair to my commercial reach-in freezer. Nice and cold in a few hours. Paul F. said, thanks for sending your technician out in a timely fashion. He was great. Got the cooler up and running fast. Contact us today for your refrigerator and refrigeration needs. Be one of many that are happy and satisfied with our services. Call now.